Maya, and I'm coming to you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you a great way to use up your stovetop stuffing and also your cranberry sauce. Well, any leftovers that you have from Thanksgiving, my friends, here we go. This is a 5-minute appetizer that you're going to love. Even people who do not like stovetop stuffing will love this one. Here we go. All you need for this recipe, my friends, is spring roll pastry, and this is the Rooster brand that I'm using. You need some stovetop stuffing mix and some vegetable oil. Okay, let's get started. We are making stovetop stuffing spring rolls. My friends, to take the spring roll dressing apart, you have to just do it like this. Make sure you have a damp dish towel, a clean damp dish towel available, so you can leave these covered, right? You have to keep these covered with a damp cloth in order to keep it moist, or the pastry will dry out. Okay, so let's work with this small amount first. So the first thing you want to do, my friends, is make sure you have some egg wash available, or in this case I just have some cornstarch with some water in there. It does the same trick as the egg wash does. Okay, so you want to leave this in a diamond shape like this, okay, like a point towards you in a diamond shape, and then you want to get your stuffing and place it in the middle. Okay, put your stuff in the middle, then make sure it's nice and clean. Make sure your hands are clean when you're doing this, because you don't want to be grossed out. Okay, so you roll it halfway, my friends, halfway. Roll it, make sure it's tight when you roll it. Oh, I hope you guys can see. When you roll it, make sure it's tight like this, my friends. Okay, so you roll it half the way, and then you tuck in the ends. Okay, make sure the ends are fully tucked in, and then you roll it again, right, nice and tight, and then use your egg wash or your cornstarch to seal the ends, right? Easy breezy. And that's it, my friends. One egg roll to go. Let's make a few of these. The oil is on the stove warming up. These nice stovetop stuffing is a great snack or an appetizer if you're having guests over. It's a great way to impress your guests. It's easy. I love egg rolls, and I also love dressing, and I think this makes a wicked appetizer, you know what I mean? And this is a great appetizer for your Christmas guests. We're gonna do one more, my friends. So remember, we have our pastry here, our pastry sheet. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of dressing in there, and I'm going to roll it tightly, right? Roll it halfway, pull up your sides, get your wash or your cornstarch, seal the edges or wet the edges, and roll it over nicely. It will stick. Okay, so let's go over to the stove and I'll show you how to do this up. When you can tell when this oil is hot if you place a chopstick in it, just like this, my friends. See, it's bubbling. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna get my egg rolls. It's nice and sealed, and I'm gonna place this into the oil. Now the stove is on medium low, my friends, and that's what you want. Oh my gosh, one loose note. I didn't do that well. Oh my gosh. Let me try another one. You want this to be crisp and golden brown. Now, my friends, this won't take more than 2 minutes to fry up. And don't forget, the stuffing inside is already cooked, so you don't need to do anything to that. Okay, I'm gonna get my plate to plate this and show you what it looks like. Nice golden brown, my friends. That's how you want it. So here it is, my friends. My egg rolls are all ready, delicious, crispy, and golden brown. Wonderful, wonderful appetizer in less than 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
Booyah. Thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.